Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft version of the Behemoth Titan. Now, to start off with our Minecraft Behemoth, we're going to begin with the face. So starting right about here, I'm going to just make a little rectangle shape. So we're just going to go down, over, up, and over again just to make our little rectangle. Then starting here, I'm going to draw two little diagonal lines and then a line to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to go over, up, and over again. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over a diagonal and then one right here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a diagonal line. I'm going to go down at an angle, and then up like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, one here, and then connect it. Then I'm going to go down and over. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over. And we'll draw one right here that goes up, and then we'll connect it right here for his big tusk. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that goes over. We're going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to go down here at an angle. We can go all the way to here. Then we'll draw a line that goes up, down, and then comes back to here. Draw a line that goes up and over, and then one that's going to go straight up here for that other tusk. Then right here we'll make a little square, and then a line that goes down. Now, starting right up here, we want to make the face. So I'm going to just draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over. It's going to go down and then connect to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then go right to here. Now, starting here, we want to make his big arms. So we're going to draw a line that goes down. We're going to go over and up, kind of like a V. Now we're going to come up, and we'll make like another V shape right here. And then we'll just draw a little line down. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up, kind of like another little V shape, and then we'll go straight up. Another little line. And then right here, we'll go down, over, and up. One that goes over, up, like this. We're going to go over and down. Leave a little space, and we'll go up and over like that. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over, and I'm just going to go up. And we'll just kind of color this in a little bit. Now, starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down at an angle, and it's going to come over. We're going to go over here, and then we'll just come straight up. Make a line that goes up, and then we're going to bring it right up to here. We'll add a little line over. Then right here, we're going to make a line that goes up and down. Draw a line that goes down here, Another one right here. A little line that goes down. And a little line right here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up, and it's going to come up to here. Little line up. Going to make a little square shape here. Then a line that goes over. We're going to go up and down, over and down. We're going to go over and up like this. Then I'm just going to make a line across and a little line that goes down and just kind of color that in a little bit. Now for the legs, what we're going to do is, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to go over and up and then connect to here. And a little line down. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to go over and up like this. Little line in the middle. Then we're just going to add a little line right here. One here, we'll add a line that goes up and over for the rest of the body. And I'll make a line that goes down and over, another one that goes down and over here. Now for the eyes, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come over like this. Another one goes down like that. We'll add a little line in here, just kind of color this in. Little one here, color it in. Over here, I'm just going to add a couple little rectangles for toes. We'll do one right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft behemoth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.